getting ready for 26. So throwing some new IFTA stickers on, doing IFTA filing, stuff like that. Printing off a bunch of crap that the government needs from us if we get stopped and all that kind of stuff. I think they give you a little time. I don't know if it's a month or so, but I don't think you have to have them on like on January 1st or anything, but I've already got them. Texas got these to me pretty quick. They're making up for this summer when I first got the authority. They, it took them forever. Like I had the 21-day protest period and I had filed for these IFTA. I filed for IFTA with Texas like the very first day I could. The first day I legally could, once I had a DOT number. And so 21-day protest period was up. And well, about 3 weeks later, I finally had my IFTA. So I ended up just running intrastate within Texas for a week or two. So, and I don't think, yeah, I'm pretty sure you got a couple weeks or so, maybe even a month before these have to be on. So we got IFTA on. I've also got, these are, since it got colder, these ball valves, actually on both sides, have started letting go of a little bit of air while they're in the closed position. So, I mean, it's drained it all the way, it's bled all the way out. That's why it's not leaking right now, but I could hear just a little bit. I actually heard it on the other side, on the driver's side. I messed around with it. Came check this side, it's doing the same thing. So, and it's not at the threads, it's just the ball in there, the ball valve inside there. So we're gonna do that. And I think I'll film like a screen recording of doing IFTA, like how to actually do an IFTA filing, but I'll put that up on a different channel. It's gonna be called Trucking Matters. So I'll put a link to that. If you're, that channel is just going to be for owner operators or people interested in like the business side, financial side of trucking. And then the main channel will still be, just hauling freight, securing loads, stuff like that. Breaking down stuff that most people find interesting. So anyways, go check that out if you're interested in owner-operator type of stuff in trucking. I'm not sure what size threads or anything this is. I'm just going to take it off and bring it up to the parts store. Get them to match it up. I was thinking I'd already opened it before. I just wanted to make sure I didn't get surprised with a blast of air. Go to the parts store and pick pick up a couple new ones and head back this way. Just got back from the parts store. They actually sell the same exact ball valve. So there's the old one, and we got two new ones here. The part number is DRC 601-4. So just gonna take the old one, the one off the driver's side off real quick, and then we'll put the new ones on. There we go. Alrighty, let's go throw them on. That should be good. Should be good. All right, let's fire it up and spray some water on it. See if that works. It should bleed off. It's normal for it to bleed off about 10 psi right after it, right after the air dryer sneezes, and then it should stop right about there. Yeah, about 11 or 12 psi maybe. That's normal. Let's see if we get any bubbles. I can already tell it's better because I was hearing it. Yeah, I was hearing it with those old ones. I was hearing it on both of them. Yeah, looks good. So yeah, so I'll put a link to that the channel I'm gonna do for owner operators trucking matters. So if you're an owner operator or thinking about getting your authority, interested in, you know, leasing on versus getting your authority, I'm gonna do a lot of topics like that. I was leased on with Landstar for 6 years, and I just recently got my authority, so I'm gonna do a video of new entrant safety audit. Just got that scheduled, and so they contacted me in December, which was 6 months. Let's see, August 1st is when my authority went active. And so they just contacted me in December, and they scheduled it for February, it's either February 2nd or February 9th. So I'm gonna do a video of that, that whole process, just so you can see what it's like, what to expect from a new entrant safety audit. After talking to him, it didn't seem like a big deal. So anyways, I'll see y'all there.